Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this new text animations in VN app. So in here, I'm using this black, this solid color as the background. And I'm going to just start by writing the text. So click on the text in here. So I'm going to add a subheading here and then just double click to write the text. Okay, you can change the font to the one you like. So for example, I'm going to just use this font right here and I'm going to make it bigger. You can click on a check icon and now you can just duplicate the text. So there are two texts like this, and now on the first text right here, click on the text and find the mask option. Choose this linear, and now you're going to rotate it like this. Okay, you're going to adjust it how you like it. I'm going to go with this, and here you can add some blurry edge like this. Now you can click on the check icon, and now for the second text, go to mask. Also the same, click on the linear here, and now do the same like the first one. Adjust it like this. Okay, click on a check icon, and okay, so this is the text look like. So now click on the text at the top and then add a keyframe at the start, and then bring the text to the bottom like this, then move forward and then add another keyframe and move back the text to the top. So you can just do it slowly until the text is in the previous position like this. So now for the first text, you need to also add a keyframe but move the text to the top like this, and then put the same keyframes, another keyframe in here, and put the text to the bottom, another keyframe, okay, the last one in here. So the text will become one. Okay, so let's see the preview first. Okay, so now the text will look like that. Now you can just export this. Click on the arrow at the top. Let's click on done and then add a new project with the video that you just exported. This one, click on next. Okay, so after the video is open, so you need to split the video into two where the text become one. Okay, so I'm going to split in here. Let's split the clip, and on the second clip, go to effects, click on the beats and add this digital one effect. Click on a check icon and let's see the result. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.